Is that the example? Okay. I wish with all my might that I had magical powers that helped me sleep through the night. The end. What's going on, y'all? It's AyooTravv and I'm back with another video. Let me slide up a little bit. As y'all can see, I got some big old turkey legs. Y'all, I ain't had turkey legs in a minute, but when I'm about to be love, I'm like, ooh, I need some turkey legs. Anyway, let me go ahead and say grace and we're going to start eating. Father God, I come to you today to ask you about this food. Please let it be a nourishment to my body. Please let me digest this food properly. In your name I pray. Amen, amen. One more time. Amen. Yo, I feel like these are still hot, and I'm going to be mad because I let them cool off for a minute. And I put them in the pressure cooker. Y'all know I'm loving my pressure cooker, y'all. Y'all see that? That's good. I pressure cooked these bad boys for 25 minutes, y'all. And as y'all can see, they tender. Okay, they're hot. How was y'all day going today? My day's going pretty well. Got some cucumbers over here too. I don't know if I can see them. Now I'm trying to break it apart. This thing is big. Run down my face. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. I tried to let these cool down a little bit. I don't know how much of a good job I did, but I'm hungry, so we just gonna eat. Let's see that. I know there's a bone in there somewhere. Y'all, I thought I did a good job letting it cool down. But I guess all the way at the bottom is holding all the heat. Yo, this turkey leg got me missing Six Flags. I want to go to Six Flags so bad. But I'm I'm waiting until these this is hot. I'm waiting until the corona cases go down. So I ain't got time. We're gonna sit there right there. So I get into the bowl a little bit better. I did what y'all told me to do with the lemon. I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and that's why it's so juicy. Wrong lemon. Now we're gonna color some pieces off here. I thought this bowl was gonna be big enough for both of them, but really that one case. Yo, this stuff is hot. I know y'all probably like, well, why are you still eating it? Because I'm hungry. I don't feel like stopping the camera. So, we just gonna cut it. But every time I cut it, I'm dipping it more and more in the sauce. It's gonna make it hotter. But that's my little design, y'all. Excuse me. I'm trying to find the least messy way to eat this. I want to get on my shirt. I should have made this ASMR video. These turkeys be having some real strong bones. Get out my food. I'm trying to eat. But this one cool down. I'm about to get all over my bed. That bone almost poked me in the face. Ooh. Sorry, I should have told y'all this video wasn't gonna be, wasn't gonna have no topic or story time. Ooh, that's not me. Excuse me. Why the bones be so tough? I see that whole bone right there. Like you don't want to eat the meat. And you gotta dig through the bone to get to the meat. Turkey legs ain't friendly like crab. Is this a wishbone, y'all? Is that the example? Or okay. I wish with all my might that I had magical powers that help me sleep through the night. The end. That's it. Where did I get the? I wish it on my mic. Oh, it was that show Dragon Tails. Y'all see this? This is a whole bone right here. Oh, excuse me. I don't know how I'm supposed to eat it, like, without biting the bone. See, and then you got all the skin. I don't want the skin. But then there's a bone right here. Okay, there we go. Get out my face. And there's still a bone in there. See? Turkeys don't play. They be real bone. Turkeys be real bony. Is that the word? There we go. Got the bone off. This probably be my last bite though, because I'm getting full. Oh, I'm discombobulated, y'all, all over the place. All right, y'all. About to go inside now. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the red bell right there. Boom. Hit the bell right there. Boom. So you can be notified each and every time I drop a video. But if you want to second like the AyooTravv, drop back to the description box. Scroll down to the bottom. Boom. I'm going to see my social media. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and follow me. Leave me a comment. Instagram, leave me a comment. Do whatever. Let me know what's like, what's don't like, what's want to see, what don't want to see, what's want to say, what don't say, what's want me, what don't me. I'll just Other than that, it's been real. AyooTravv is out. I just deep condition my hair. I gotta rinse it out. Then I gotta style it and all that. So I'm about to get out of here. Peace.